That's for
movie or
I put it for full-time going. Menu. Let's see, it says it's recording right now. It's blinking recording. So, okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Hey, fat boy, what are you doing? Fat boy, what are you doing? Look, come here. Come here. What are they doing in there? Who's in? Hey, what are you guys doing right there? What are you doing? What are you doing behind the shower curtains, huh? Okay, stop. It's recording. It says it's recording. I don't know. Maybe it wasn't recording before. But I don't know. Come here, Cal. Callie. Callie. Where's Fat Boy at?
If you go to the laptop.
Oh. I don't know what the hell she's playing with over there, but whatever it is. What are you doing, Kelly? Hi, pretty girl. What do you got over there? What are you playing with? What? Huh? What are you saying? What? She's going crazy, whatever she's got. What, Kelly? What? What? I don't know what she's doing. What, Kelly, what? What are you doing? She wants to see what's on. Kelly? Hey. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Kelly, what are you doing? What are you doing? Say hi. Say hello, pretty girl. She's got something she's just playing with, enjoying the heck out of it, whatever it is. There she is. Kelly. Hey, Cal. Kelly, what are you doing? Well, she's got a ball from your boots, those tie balls. Those little pom-pom balls that are tied onto your boots. That's what she's playing with. Oh my gosh, look at her. Silly cat. Now she just jumps up at the dresser. What is she doing? What are you doing, Kelly? What do you see up there? Huh? What, Mama's what? What? She just starts attacking the... What? What is wrong with you, weirdo? What are you doing? Ah! She tried to... What are you doing? What are you doing? She's trying to attack the camera. What are you doing? Oh, you're so silly. Here she goes.